Alright guys, I finally got my truck back running, deleted, did all the lights on it, so I got all the rock lights. And then I got my demon eyes and my halos set up. Hopefully you guys will be able to see this. So I can change the color of all these with an app on my phone. I'll show you guys, hold on. This is what the app looks like. And then, so the two devices right now that are clicked are the demon eyes. Like one side is that one side is that one. And then the other two are the halo rings. So like I can go in here and click like green. See how they changed the green? You guys can kind of see that. Or I'll click red again and they change back to red. So it's pretty cool. I got that. And then as for the rock lights, they're just right now they're on this. But I have one for my keychain as well. So like I can change these to whatever color I want. Now there's green, blue. The white's not totally white, but it looks fire with the truck at night. Especially if I have all the other lights on, but right now I'm just trying to focus on just the built headlight lights and the demon eyes. But yeah, dude, they came out absolutely fire, honestly. Like, I'm definitely stoked with how they look. Plus the truck being deleted now just makes it that much better. I'm gonna throw it on the tripod and get a couple shots of me like driving by real fast, and then yeah, we'll end this video. I'm just gonna throw all this in one, the halos, the rock lights and all that. I'll probably just put it in, you know, in the back of another video. I'm not gonna do like a whole how-to on it, but just figured I'd update you guys on what the Duramax is looking like. It's looking super duper clean. Alright guys, I'm going to do a little cold start for you. I got to do a little run around. We got some snow coming tomorrow. So I got to go to the shop, load up the salt truck. There's some things I got to do, but I had to grab my other plow controller, if you guys can even see that. It's, what, 28 degrees. So we got to run to the shop real quick, and then I'm gonna come back, probably pull up to the plow, get ready to hook this plow up. I know you guys probably can't see nothing, but cold one. The lift pump's grinding away. go do some running around. As soon as I get back, like I said, I'm gonna hook up to the plow. We're supposed to get 2 feet of snow, I guess. Tomorrow, like starting tomorrow afternoon. So I just want to make sure everything's good. So yeah, I'll check back in once I get back home. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this. This thing's so loud right when I start it, and it's cold. I'm just pulling out of my driveway. I try not to get on it till it's all the way warmed up. But alright, I'll check back in once I get home, guys. Alright guys, so I just did some running around. Right now the reason I don't record while I'm snow plowing is because I don't have a GoPro. So it's tough for me to record while I'm driving and shit. A lot of the times I'm out plowing, my girlfriend's working. So I'm out plowing by myself. You know, I have this Canon camera, but there's nowhere good to mount it, you know, so you can see me snow plowing while I'm driving. But I just hit this kit up on Facebook Marketplace, and I guess I'm gonna go pick it up now. So that's where I'm heading now, is to go pick up this GoPro. So hopefully I can get that all set up and ready to go before tomorrow afternoon, and I'll be able to record. It sucks because right now I'm passing a cop right here on my left. Wow. So it's hard for me to record, but yeah. I'm going to pick up a GoPro so I don't know if I'm gonna have all the mounts in time for tomorrow, but I'll probably mount it up on the roof of the truck or like on the hood or something. I'll figure out a good spot to put it. But yeah, I just wanted to check back in with that and show you guys that, or tell you guys that I'm supposed to pick up a GoPro. Granted, it's not like shit and everything works good on it and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and grab it right now, so.
I don't think they know, that's my word. Yeah, that's my pig on the set, what they said, play. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Time to go, I'm cool on the chick.